And a very good day to all my viewers out there. We're going to do a little bit of science today. This is a science experiment that I just learned about within the last 24 hours or so, thanks to YouTube. What we're going to do here is we're going to make these grapes give us some plasma in a microwave oven. And before I get started here, I just want to note that this microwave oven, this is not mine. This is a friend's place that I'm watching while he's on a trip. And he told me that he's going to be throwing this microwave out when he gets back. So I figured, hey, perfect timing to try this experiment. So if anything goes wrong, at least it's an old microwave, sort of. Yeah, so we have some grapes here, which have been cut in half. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these grapes and we're going to put them in the microwave. And we're going to see some plasma, hopefully. And what is plasma? Well, from what I've read, plasma is one of the four fundamental forms of matter, in addition to solid, liquid, and gas. And apparently plasma is created by ions and free electrons. And if you want to read more about that, I'll leave a link, because it's a bit technical, even for me to kind of understand. But yeah, we're going to put these in the microwave and let's check out the light show. Alright, so I put the grapes in the microwave. I took them off the paper towel just in case that heat from that plasma creates a fire. We don't want a plasma fire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my flash off here, and we're going to start the microwave for just for 2 minutes, I guess. Alright, we'll start it for 2 minutes and let's watch the show. Here we go. May take a minute or two, but there you go. There's our plasma right there. And we got some smoke here, so I'm going to shut it off right away. Whew.